The biggest splash ever, huh?
Here I go.
That was it?
Huh?
That's it?
That was really big, right?
If you say so.
My shoes, they're all soaked.
That's what it's supposed to be.
Soaked?
Pretty much.
How's that?
What are you doing, Morgan? You spinning? Oops.
Daddy, look.
I see.
Get a geyser.
Sprinkler. Sprinkler.
Look at my sprinkler, Morgan. I made your shoe. I made your shoe to a sprinkler, Morgan.
Oh. Stop, Jaden. Don't keep me wet. Stop it. No, put it back in the pool. No. I don't want to get everything wet. Put it down. Jaden, put it down. Jaden, stop it. Put it down. Because if she gets it in your face, you're going to be mad. So put it down, Jaden. Hey, Jaden, last time. You got it, Morgan?
Morgan, watch out.
Morgan, sit here first and then get on it.
Watch out, Morgan. Morgan, watch out.
Biggest splash ever?
Yep.
Yeah, whatever. Whatever.
Watch out, Morgan.
All right, say. You guys say bye-bye and turn it off. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Wipe your mouth. Nasty.
Bye-bye, Grandma. Bye-bye, Mommy. Bye-bye, Grandma.
You say grandma up in the sky? Thank you.